Ever wondered how to effortlessly track your miles traveled for business? Whether it's a quick trip to the client's office or a cross-country road trip, Expensify has got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into the simple steps to accurately track your distance and get reimbursed for those miles. Expensify is a powerful tool that automates expense reporting, making it easier than ever to keep track of your business expenses. One of its many features is the ability to track mileage, whether you're using a personal or company vehicle. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Expensify account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Expensify website. Log in using your credentials. Create a new report. Click the New Report button to start a new expense report. Add a mileage entry. Look for the Add Mileage button or option. This might vary slightly depending on your Expensify version, but it's usually easily identifiable. Click on it to add a new mileage entry. Provide mileage details. Start date and end date. Input the specific dates of your trip. Starting odometer reading. Enter the mileage reading at the start of your trip. Ending odometer reading. Enter the mileage reading at the end of your trip. Vehicle information. Specify the vehicle used, whether it's your personal car or a company vehicle. Purpose of trip. Briefly describe the reason for the trip. This could be a client meeting, business conference, or other work-related activity. Upload supporting documents. Optional. While not always necessary, you can upload additional documents to support your mileage claim. This might include a photo of your odometer readings or a detailed itinerary. Submit your report. Once you've filled in all the required information, review your report for accuracy. Click the Submit button to send your report to your approver. Tips for accurate mileage tracking. Keep your odometer readings up to date. Regularly note your mileage to ensure accurate tracking. Categorize your trips. Organize your trips based on their purpose to simplify reporting. Use GPS tracking apps. Consider using GPS tracking apps to automatically log your mileage. Check your company's mileage reimbursement policy. Familiarize yourself with your company's specific policies and guidelines. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently track your mileage in Expensify and streamline your expense reporting process. Accurate mileage tracking is crucial for maximizing your reimbursements and staying organized. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.